Unlocking the secrets of the Cornerstone. Master English expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard but might not fully understand: the cornerstone. This expression is rich in meaning and history, and by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. So, let's explore together and add another valuable phrase to your English toolkit. The cornerstone refers to the first stone set in the construction of a masonry foundation, important since all other stones will be set in reference to this stone, thus determining the position of the entire structure. Metaphorically, it signifies something that is essential, indispensable, or basic. The term is often used to describe the foundation upon which something is built or functions. For example, in a sentence, you might say, "Trust is the cornerstone of any successful relationship," highlighting that trust is fundamental and essential for relationships to thrive. The phrase, "the cornerstone," has both literal and symbolic origins. Literally, it comes from the practice in ancient building construction where a cornerstone was physically placed at the corner of a structure. Symbolically, it has been used in various cultures and religions to denote an element of foundational importance. Over time, the term evolved to be used in more abstract ways, emphasizing the foundational and indispensable nature of something within any context, not just architecture. Using the cornerstone correctly can add depth and precision to your communication. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. Educational context. Critical thinking is the cornerstone of a robust education system. Business context. Innovation is the cornerstone of our company's growth strategy. Personal development. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of personal success. Notice how in each example, the phrase emphasizes the fundamental importance of the mentioned qualities within their respective contexts. When using the cornerstone, it's important to avoid common mistakes. 1. Don't use it for trivial or non-fundamental elements. The phrase should denote something deeply foundational. 2. Be mindful of the context. Ensure that its use is appropriate and carries the weight the phrase implies. 3. Avoid redundancy. Saying something is the cornerstone and foundation is repetitive since both words convey a similar concept. Congratulations! You now understand the significance and proper use of the cornerstone in English. This expression is a powerful tool in your language learning journey, allowing you to convey the importance of foundational elements in various contexts. Remember, mastering a language is about understanding the nuances of its expressions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language learning tips. Your support helps us create content that makes mastering English easier and more enjoyable for everyone. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the depths of the English language.